sources of national law. Established the federal constitution, the highest law in nation. All other law must follow it. It protects presidency, references government power to change it. Parliament grants a two-thirds majority. This stage advantage constitution to manage Islamic law, land, and local government, but it must follow the federal constitution. Next is legislation. Federal law are calling acts, and state law are enactments. If they conflict, federal law means. Then subsidiary legislation then support law. They make law easy to implement. Let public healthy or local council government. Finally, judicial decision could explain law and sometimes create new rules. Binding decision keep law consistent and judges' opinion guide future cases.
I will continue the English law. English law has historical influence the Malaysian legal system and is applied to the Civil Law Act 1956. Its application is limited and varies by region. English commercial law may only be applied where there is no local legislation and only up to certain dates depending on the states. However, English land law is no longer applicable in Malaysia. All land matters are governed exclusively by the National Land Code, making local law the sole authority in this area. Foreign law or Malay adat consists of traditional custom and practice passed down through the generation. There are two main types, adat perpati, practice in negeri sembilan, which is follow a material system. Adat Temanggung practice is most of the state, which follow a patrial system. Customary law is organized as a sources of law as long as it doesn't conflict with the written law, Islamic law, and federal constitution. It's mainly influence matters relating to family, land, and social relation. Next, Islamic law. Islamic law is an important part of Malaysia's legal system and apply only to Muslims. Under federal constitution, Islamic law fall within the jurisdiction of the state. It covers personal and family matters such as marriage, divorce, and inheritance, maintenance, and religious observation. The Sharia court administers Islamic law and operates separately from the civil code. Their jurisdiction is protected under Article 121(1)(a) of the Federal Constitution. Although challenge exists in standardizing Islamic law across states, improvements have been made through coordinating bodies such as Department of Sharia Judiciary Malaysia. In conclusion, Malaysian law is derived from a combination of written and unwritten sources shaped by the country's history, culture, and constitutional framework. The Federal Constitution serves as the foundation of the legal system, with legislation, judicial decision, Islamic law, customary law, and limited English law together ensure justice, consistency, and legal development in Malaysia.